Good morning from Tokyo. One full day down. Today we are going to jump on a train and we're going to my old school. The making of Harry Potter. So I'm super excited. We're going to go have a look at, I've always been a huge fan of Harry Potter. So we're going to go through all of the big studio tour. It's one of the world's largest museums for Harry Potter in the world. I'm guaranteeing the Japanese are going to love it. So we are up semi-early. The weather is absolutely insane. 30 degrees, blue skies. We're going to jump on a train, have a look at Harry Potter world and show Reef that he's not a muggle. So first things first, 7-Eleven. Smoothie. Is it yum? Do you think it's good? He has been addicted to these smoothies which start as fruit and then they mix up, so as fresh as you can get. So it's kind of cool. Like, there's a lot of different things with their 7-Elevens and convenience stores which we don't have back home, which just works a lot better. So snacks for the train, we'll rate them on the train, but as you can see, there's no traffic. Majority of people use train, so it kind of works well. Go train! Yay!
So go train. Go Harry Potter.
What's Harry Potter say? Expecto Patronum!
I like her shoes.
お進みください。皆様、お待たせいたしました。まもなく。
Welcome to Hogwarts! Hogwarts からの招待状開催中は映画ハリー・ポッターと賢者の石に登場する組分けの儀式の時の大広間を3、2、1
I know! Hufflepuff!
ですが、お時間に限りがございます。約3分ほどで
What's Harry Potter say? Oh, look up! It's moving! Wow! Did it move?
I'm not mad.
Like even in the chips within the...
Costume designers team helps to bring their vision to reality. On a studio film like Fantastic Beasts, we create close to 3,000 models, which includes all of the background actors as well.
Makes my party look shit. Now the best bit is Tanner's scared of spiders. Oh, Tanner. Have a look.
Oh my god, they're everywhere. I forgot there was more than one. Jesus Christ. Oh, I hate it. Don't move.
Look under. Beb. Beb.
お前なのか。ハグリッドは一度もこの窪地に人をよこしたことはない。
し明けましょう。
Good pumpkin up on
みんなが憶測で言ってることは
Piggy girl. Shake. Rapesy cat. Rape.
Are you ready to try butterbeer? Do you want to try? Unsure? Next at Harry's house. Alright, let's see if it rates the same as Universal Hollywood. It's exactly the same.
Is it?
That is insanity. You can't create this at home. It's so good. We have tried.
Let me try it.
Do you want to try this, Bubby?
Oh my god, it smells so good. It looks gross though.
Give Reef a hit. Do you want to try? Do you want to try? Have a sip. He said no butterbeer today. He's a bit sick.
It's got a sore throat.
Sore throat and teething.
そうなんです。最後でしかそうなんです。撮影ができず。あ、これ私もやります。
Back to my old room.
ご覧くださいね。
Floppy disk slides.
Babe. Wow, look at this.
Where's the train? Look at the smoke. Hey, beautiful. Oh, look at the Dementors.
Has everybody got tea?
My whole face through a lot of this is just like, what the heck? This is crazy.
Like Eddie Redmayne. In some sense, an acting partner in scenes. See? You are still an actor. Right. I think we should get you.
Anyone to buy a wand? Getting some burgers at the Great Hall. What did you think?
I thought it was amazing. I thought it was so cool. I loved the prosthetics, like the makeup. and wigs and beauty sort of side of it as well.
Definitely a 9 out of 10.
Very
I
cool.
reckon some of the like crazy props, like the detail of probably the best was the Ministry of Magic, or the
Which bit was that?
the green building.
Oh, that was cool, yeah.
That or walking through like the Diagon Alley. That was really cool.
And the fake hole, the thing at the end of the show.
Yeah. Oh, and like the diorama of Hogwarts.
Yeah.
So it's good to go back to school. I had so many memories there, but now I've had to come back to Muggle life.
Yeah.
Reef
so hard, isn't it?
practically slept through the whole thing.
Low-key, Reef's
So-
got a massive mouth ulcer and I've got a throat infection, so we're thriving over here. So we're just trying to make the most of him being just like, don't miss the whole thing.
At least we enjoyed it, and we get our daily profit burgers
This is great. The only thing that he looked at was the fans.
at the cafe. He didn't
the
even have
cafe.
butterbeer, so
He was not interested, so...
That's sad.
Sweetie, this is for your future. You weren't interested, we tried to take you, we're not coming back.
hopefully you'll be better at Disneyland.
Love you.
Short train ride, and we are at Shibuya Crossing.
See you later.
So it's going to get hectic. The amount of people already here, and this is pretty quiet. One of the most famous crossings in Japan. Ready, set, go! Not too crazy. Look at everyone in the middle. Imagine trying to drive through this. Let's go.
That was fine. Nothing happened.
Not even that bad, but at night apparently it's way busier. Do you like the smoothie? Oh, there's Starbucks over there. Do you like smoothie? Yeah? Is it good? It's good, you haven't eaten all day, at least you get the nice smoothies.
Yes, it's only 7 minutes.
Getting around with prams, you have to be the master of the escalator. Alright, for the dismount. Not my first rodeo. At your lifelong dream. The only reason you came to Tokyo is to have some matcha because you love matcha so much.
You're gonna have a strawberry.
I thought you were going to get the original because you love... Didn't you say like the flavours are for the non-basic bitches? Oh,
Please mix well.
fancy. You rate your life
That
purchase.
tastes fucking lit, to be honest. It tastes so good, but I'm pissed because I got so excited and I shook the shit out of it. And I didn't get to experience it for all its beauty before I
Well, I think it's just a drink, really. So, we are going to Katsu to finish after a lot of trains, a lot of walking, and a grumpy boy. Do you like Katsu?
No!
Definitely a
It's a
no.
no.
Has been pretty much all day, so
A no!
he's
A
not
no.
feeling like himself, but then he'll decide that. Look, crunchy. You decide that he wants some.
So don't push it. Don't tell me what I like.
So we're in that mode, but
It's okay. We're making the most of it. We've done lots of walking. We've done lots of looking.
other than that,
We also wanted to go do the Pig Cafe, and it was $70 for 20 minutes, and I was like, probably not.
no pig cafe.
Love the
today,
piggies, but not that much. I've got a pig at home.
which would have been the same price as Harry Potter. So that's the thing. I think I can smell a tourist trap from a mile away.